And this is my teacher Nina. She helps me learn new things every day.
Welcome to your Max class. Before we begin, remember to keep your journals open in front of you.
Let's set a clear aim for today's class.
You may already know how to count and write numbers up to 1,000 and more by skip counting. We have learned to add numbers to make multiples of 1,000. Finally, do you remember how to write numbers in the expanded form and their number names? Today, we are going to find out more about numbers. Specifically, we will learn more about adding or subtracting 1, 10, 100 and 1,000 to a number. Now, write in your journal, what is the aim of the class today?
I have written down what we are going to learn today.
Time for a quick activity. Let's get started.
Take out a pencil, a ruler and an eraser. Use a ruler to join dots to draw an abacus in the action section of your journal, like this. Label the rods as O to show the ones, T to show the tens, H to show the hundreds, and TH to show the thousands place, like this. Let us now show the number 5,324 on the abacus. Draw 5 beads on the thousands rod, 3 beads on the hundreds rod, 2 beads on the tens rod, and 4 beads on the ones rod. Let us now add 1 to 5,324 using the abacus. To add 1, we will draw 1 more bead on the ones rod to get 5,325. Write the new number below the abacus. Now, subtract 10 from 5,325 using the abacus. What is the new number? Write the answer in your journal. Mia, what is your answer?
My answer is 5,315.
That's correct. To subtract 10, we will cross out 1 bead from the tens rod to get 5,315. Your abacus now shows 5,315. Now, add 100 to 5,315. Use the abacus to add. Write the answer in your journal. Mia, what is the sum?
The sum is 5,415.
Well done. To add 100, we drew one bead on the hundreds rod to get 5,415. Now, compare 5,315 and 5,415. At which place value has the digit changed and by how much? Write the answer in the action part of your journal. Mia, the digit at which place value changed and how?
The digit at hundreds place increased by 1.
Excellent, Mia. So, we can see that on adding 100 to 5,315, the digit at hundreds place increased by 1. So, we can say that when we add 1, 10, 100 and 1,000 to a number, the digit at ones, tens, hundreds and thousands place increases by 1. It decreases by 1 on subtraction.
Time for analysis. Let's watch a Cool Talk video.
You can ride my bicycle.
Thanks.
It's fun. What's happening? The digits are changing.
Tired?
I don't understand how the digits are changing.
As you ride, it moves and shows the distance traveled.
Is it like adding 1 to the number?
Yes. Remember, when we add or subtract 1 from a number, the digit at the ones place changes. On adding or subtracting 10, the digit at the tens place changes. On adding or subtracting 100, the digit at the hundreds place changes.
Does the digit at the thousands place also change on adding or subtracting 1,000?
Yes.
After 2,439, it will show 2,430.
Remember what comes after 9?
Yes. On adding 1 to 9, we get 10. The ones place becomes 0. The tens place increases by 1.
On subtracting 1 from 2,440,
we regroup as the digit at the ones place is 0, so the tens and ones place will change.
correct.
Now I know how the digits change.
In the analysis section of your journal, write what you learned from the video. Today, we learned to add and subtract 1, 10, 100 and 1,000 from a number. We will now solve a problem. But before that, let's watch Cool Talk again.
You can ride my bicycle.
Thanks.
It's fun. What's happening? The digits are changing.
Tired?
I don't understand how the digits are changing.
As you ride, it moves and shows the distance traveled.
Is it like adding 1 to the number?
Yes. Remember, when we add or subtract 1 from a number, the digit at the ones place changes. On adding or subtracting 10, the digit at the tens place changes. On adding or subtracting 100, the digit at the hundreds place changes.
Does the digit at the thousands place also change on adding or subtracting 1,000?
Yes.
After 2,439, it will show 2,430.
Remember what comes after 9?
Yes. On adding 1 to 9, we get 10. The ones place becomes 0. The tens place increases by 1.
On subtracting 1 from 2,440,
we regroup as the digit at the ones place is 0, so the tens and ones place will change.
correct.
Now I know how the digits change.
Time to apply what we have learned to a real problem.
Sally collected 164 coins in a bag. Her brother took 100 coins from her. How many coins are left? Write the answer in your journal. Your time starts now. Mia, what is your answer?
64 coins.
Good. To find the remaining coins, we will subtract 100 from 164. On subtracting 100, the digit at hundreds place becomes 1 less. So, Sally is left with 64 coins.
Time for a quick quiz. Let's see if we remember what we learned in the class today.
Shade the bubble for the correct answer in your journal. Question 1. If we add 1,000 and 2,353, the place value that will change is A. Ones, B. Tens, C. Hundreds, D. Thousands. Question 2. A and B are 1,346 meters apart. B and C are 100 meters apart. What is the gap between A and C? A. 1,446 meters. B. 1,246 meters. C. 1,346 meters. D. 1,146 meters.
In today's class, we learned about numbers. Now I can easily describe what happens to a digit in a number when we add or subtract 1 10, 100 and 1000 from it. See you next time.